living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area. Kitchen area, so you can check out over here the space. Here comes the master bedroom. So you can check out the space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at the Advait project, which is located in Guntur, Bangalore, a project developed by Sanjeevani Group. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK actual flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project. And this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the details and details of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of the beautiful miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 8.3 acres of land parcel with 5 towers and all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors and 21 floor including helipad on the rooftop. This project offers you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities and let me show you. So this project has a grand clubhouse of 6 floors, including 2 pools, 2 theatres, 2 banquet halls, including guest houses. Forest will be constructed with 15,000 trees, including pet park, multi-purpose court, football ground, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located in Guntur, Bangalore, and let me show you the location and connectivity. So this road on my back hand side will connect you towards Vartur Sarjapur road, and over this side on the opposite side will connect you towards Panatur main road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Bellandur metro station in 2.5 kilometers, TCIS is just 2.8 kilometers away, Prestige Tech Park is 4.1 kilometers, Nexus Whitefield is 7.8 kilometers from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK actual flat of 1550 square feet, super built up area. So before you enter, let me show you that they are providing with a video door phone and as well as the digital door lock for your security purpose, and this is the grand entrance, and from this entrance we'll be entering towards your living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can add up your sofa set and TV unit, and over this side. So basically you can utilize this space as a dining area, or else you can use this in a multi-purpose way now, which is attached to your this balcony area. So your spacious balcony, which is 3-side covered, giving you a mesmerizing view with tough and glass railing and anti-skid tiles as well. Now moving further towards your kitchen area. So over this side is your kitchen area. So this how exactly they are providing the kitchen area. So you can check out over here the space which is attached to the utility area as well, divided with a tile drop to avoid the water spillage and with anti-skid tiles. And over this side is a window for ventilation and lighting view. Now moving further towards your bedroom space. So 1 bedroom on the other side and other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. So over this side is your bedroom number 1. Let me show you the bedroom number 1. You can check out the space over here with a beautiful huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even attached with the railing as well. Now moving further towards your next bedroom. But before that, over here is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And exactly in front is your bedroom number 2, the exact replica of bedroom number 1. You can again check out a window for ventilation and lighting purpose with the iron railing. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with the sample flat and actual flat videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit and register for free. Now, let's move further. So walking through your living and the dining area with this side. On my left hand side is your master bedroom. Here comes the master bedroom. So you can check out the space over here. Has the attached washroom as well and attached balcony area for. So first we'll be checking out the washroom, the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now here comes the balcony. Again, the balcony with 3 side covered with toughened glass railing and anti-skid tiles as well. So this was all about your 3 BHK at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Sanjeevani Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.